Hey YouTubers, today I'm going to do a review of the AGM Type 96 airsoft rifle and everything else. You can get this airsoft rifle at airsoftmag.com. The whole thing, bipod, sniper rifle, and the scope, and the sling come with it. I think I paid like $136 for it. Cool gun, shoots accurate, with a 20 grams and everything else. It reaches right at I think it was like 480 to 490 feet per second. With the 25s, it's probably about like 410, 400 and stuff. Get ready to go probably next week and order a kit for it. Piston kit. Piston kit and everything else to give it probably about, I say at least probably about 510 feet per second, somewhere around there. Then I got everything else, adapter piece coming for it. I'm gonna take this right here off. Put a silencer on it, make it a little bit longer, more accurate.